Before we begin, why does this matter? That exists at the heart of creation. It is a promise made before a single photo is taken. It is an understanding between artist and subject that vulnerability will be met with respect. This trust is the invisible framework upon which all meaningful fine nude art is built. Still with me? Here's the heart. Trust. It is often misunderstood. We will step inside the studio onto the set. We will meet the people who make this art. We will examine the rules, written and unwritten, that govern this delicate process. A fine art shoot involves more than just a photographer and a model. It is a small, focused team, each member with a specific role to ensure the process is smooth, safe, and successful. The photographer is the artistic director, responsible for the vision, the lighting, the composition, and the technical execution. Their responsibility extends beyond the camera. They must be the guardian of the set's atmosphere, keeping it comfortable, safe, and respectful. The model is an active collaborator, often an artist in their own right, contributing an understanding of movement, expression, and form. A model may bring a chaperone, a friend or representative there for support and to witness. The rule: everyone present must be essential to creating the art. Consent is the single most important element in fine nude art photography. It is not a one-time event but an ongoing conversation. It begins with the initial discussion, the signing of the model release. It continues throughout the entire shoot. On set, consent is active and continuous. Are you comfortable with this pose? How are you feeling with this lighting? This practice is known as affirmative consent. It is never assumed. The model always has the right to withdraw consent at any moment. That right must be immediately and unconditionally respected. Safety on set is a practical extension of consent: privacy, comfort, and secure equipment. California law adds protection. It is illegal to create or possess nude images of anyone under 18. No exceptions. Public land shoots often require permits with strict rules about time, location, and visibility. Professionals follow them. Halfway through our exploration, we return to the central question: what does respect look like in fine nude art? It is the photographer who asks for permission before any touch. It is the model who says, "I need a 5-minute break," and sees the crew pause without question. It is a quiet, focused set where talk centers on the work. Respect is visible in small details that prioritize the person over the picture. An experienced model might describe respect as a photographer who listens more than they talk. A photographer might define respect as honoring boundaries completely, even if it means abandoning a planned shot. The final image should feel like a tribute to the model's strength and grace, a celebration of the trust they offered. This is what separates fine art from mere depiction. Respect woven into the very fabric of the image. Would you feel the trust behind this image? Working in California presents both unique opportunities and specific challenges for fine art photographers. Desolate deserts, rugged coastlines offer an incredible natural studio. However, public spaces require careful legal navigation and often permits. Through the California Film Commission, a city office, or the Park Service. Permits carry conditions: hours, location, public visibility. Assistants secure perimeters and handle interruptions professionally. Many opt for private studios or remote property for control and privacy. In the digital age, securing files is critical: encrypted drives and secure cloud. Model release must define social posts, tags, and takedown options. Honor requests for anonymity. Name and face are the model's choice. The artistic process does not end when the camera is put away. Post-production shapes the final story and carries ethical choices. Selection should follow the original intent shared with the model. The goal is to choose images that best capture the intended mood and aesthetic: strength, serenity, melancholy, joy, while upholding dignity. Many involve the model in selects. Veto power reinforces agency. Adjust light, color, and contrast, but avoid excessive body manipulation. Fine art celebrates natural form. Context matters. Frame the work appropriately. Guide viewers to see collaboration, trust, and respect within the image. Presentation is a final act of respect for the model who made the work possible. How can your process better honor trust at every step? In the end, the creation of fine nude art is a shared act. It is a delicate dance: trust, communication, mutual respect. When all of these elements are in place, the result is more than just a photograph. It is a testament to collaboration, the integrity of its making. The process requires a clear plan, legally sound agreements, and a steadfast commitment to safety and consent. The person is not an object, but a partner whose dignity is the highest priority. California's scene is fertile, and it demands responsibility and diligence. Learn to see not just beauty, but the care behind it. True beauty needs integrity. It is art, it is work, and it is, above all, a profound act of respect.